Dear teacher, this is our group's research topic, enhancing psychological counseling with large model through prompt engineering and automated evaluation. Now let me introduce our content to you, which mainly introduced by part, introduction, methodology, experience, conclusion, and reference. The first part is introduction. This is the table we have compiled to summarize the specific detail of the current research paper. We have read the research on three parts, mainly psychology, role related and style transfer, and reinforced learning. The current research had the following shortcoming. Long trade time. LLM is not sufficient in scenery that require personalization and emotional response. That's all unified evaluation standard and automated evaluation tools. The standardized scales may appear monotonous and dumb among young people, reducing their engagement. That's all was specific to psychological experts. Eating interaction framework may be to be simply to fully simulate the complex interaction process of psychology construction. This is a lack of in-depth research and comparison on the scalability and effectivity of different model size and architecture. To address the above issues, we are building a dataset of psychological counseling dialogue propose a two-stage interaction framework, include the model ability and efficiently in the roles play of psychological counselor, comparing consistency and automatic evaluation method. In conclusion, this star construct a dialogue dataset of psychological counseling, propose a pro measure based on a two-stage framework to optimize the role play ability of psychological counselor, and compare the coincide similarity calculation index with the model automatic evaluation, verifying the progressiveness of the model automatic evaluation method. This additional contribution not only promote the application of such model in the field of psychological counseling, but also made the foundation for the future application of AI in the wide range of fields. The site of this study lies in the following keys innovative points. The first one is enhancing intelligence in psychological counseling. The second is include interactive period or large model. The first one is proving role play in AI. And finally is deploying LM limitation and potential. No.
Okay, now let me Julianhua to introduce the methodology. Our proposed math is a two-step interaction framework. In the first step, we will use the large language model to analyze user input to get what we need to get what should pay attention in the response, and then mix attention and use original text to the MLM as the before to generate the personality replay in the end. And the implementation data we divide into four parts. First is construct a dataset have 1,000 psychological counseling questions and answer. After that, we will analyze the model and their recognition we use to test our framework. Third is to use our framework to get the response we need. In the end, we will evaluate the text generation. The evaluation metric we has two. One is the large language model auto evaluate. It is simple, so we don't put in it. And the second is the cosine similarity calculate. It is to calculate the similarity between two vectors. And the first vector A is the generation we get, and the B is the generation by GPT-4o, because we think the GPT can play a good agent, good way as the agent, so we use it in the template. Okay, I am done with my part. Let's move on my team partner.
Next, I will introduce the process of the experience to you. First, we will construct the datasets and select the best basis prompt. In the datasets part, we used GPT-4 to generate a set of psychological counseling questions and corresponding answers. And after screening, created a dataset of 1,000 common psychological question and answer pairs. Then in the prompt part, we use Llama 3.18 billion to generate context for different prompt sentences to select the best prompt. On this page, you can see three prompts that we selected and evaluated in two ways. First, BERT is used to embed the context generated by GPT-4 into vector space, and the cosine similarities between the context is calculated. Second, we use Copilot's automate evaluation methods for multi-dimensional evaluation. What is shown here are the evaluation indicators. The results show that P3 provides the best results. This will serve as a baseline prompt for future content generations. Now that the preparation work is over, the next step is to test our optimizations method. Compared with the traditional direct input and output response, we will first use prompts to let the model analyze the problem to determine the key considerations, and then input the considerations and questions into the models to generate a response. To demonstrate the generalities of the method, we test it on different models with different parameter size. Finally, we use the same two methods as before to evaluate a large amount of generated data. By observing the generated data, we can find GPT content quality is not always the highest, and the result of evaluation with copilots aligned with expectations, showing diverse and convincing evaluation angles. In chainwork models, when using basic prompts, a generated response such as "Sure, I can help you like that" is often produced. However, using the optimization methods will no longer generate relevant content. In conclusion, optimized prompts generally use better context than base prompts, despite some metric limitations, demonstrated the effectiveness of the proposed method. And this is the evaluation result we obtained. Due to the GPT-4 issues just mentioned, the score here don't quite match our observations of the generated results. In the Copilot-based automated evaluation methods that performs better, we can see that our optimization methods has certain improvements over the baseline in different aspects.
Now I will introduce our conclusion to you. Our research background is large models show great potential in providing psychological consulting service, but face significant challenges in resource consumption and training time. To address this issue, we propose a pro-engineering method to optimize using large model for more efficient and cost-efficient psychological counseling service. We have innovatively proposed the two-stage strategy, and we are still validating the efficiency of this method of cross multi-large model during testing. We have adopted two evaluation methods, coastline similarity and automated evaluation. Our research findings are proposing an innovative method to enhance large model application in psychological counseling and demonstrating an effective evaluation approach. And the next one is our future improvement direction. Our research improvement direction mainly focus on data and model, interactive experience, evaluation and feedbacks. Three paths. On the dataset, we can increase its size and diversity, covering different cultural background, age group, and type of psychological problems. We can use AI to screen high-quality samples from Synthetic data and real conversation to enhance the quality of the dataset. In terms of model architecture optimization, try the latest Finland model and research hybrid methods for small and large model collaboration. In terms of interactive experience, reinforcement learning can be used to enhance the interactive experience, and in dynamic multimodal interaction, multimodal signals such as speech, expression, gestures, etc., can be used as input to help the model understand the user state more comprehensively. In terms of evaluation and feedback, we can develop a comprehensive automated evaluation framework and introduce an reinforcement learning based adaptive evaluation model for real-time feedback driven online optimization. And the next one is our reference. We have read shifting reference, and the following are the contents of the literature we have read. This is our reference. You can have a look. Thank you very much for your guidance, teachers.